Hello, my name is Anisha Johnson, and today I'm going to be talking about the governance of a new era. And I was able to look at a YouTube video and also an article that mainly talked about the Board of Trustees. And the first thing I noticed in the video was they talked about how the Board of Trustees have to be a representation of higher education. So the Board of Trustees has to pretty much understand an institution, and they're pretty much a representation of that institution itself. So they do have a lot of responsibilities. They need to embrace accountability, display transparency, need to have an understanding of the core value of an institution. If the Board of Trustees does not understand the value of an institution, exactly what students are learning at that institution, then they are actually failing that institution overall. And also they have to understand students' opinions. Are students actually learning what they need in order to graduate and get into a career? Is the institution providing the students with the necessary resources in order to find a career and have the knowledge for a specific career as well? And then students need to have a minimum of, Board of Trustees need to have a minimum of 2 terms. And in the video, one of the guys said that if a person in the Board of Trustees has not been to an institution for so long, they may not even understand where the bathroom is at. So we can't depend on a person that hasn't been to an institution to understand the core value of that specific institution. So he said that they need to have a minimum of at least 2 terms. In the article, it talked about how Board of Trustees must pretty much access the cost of academic and non-academic programs. So we need to look at athletic programs. We need to look at the majors, everything that the school offers to our students. We need to make sure that it is appropriate and it does do good for the actual purpose of the institution. We need to guard academic freedoms of students. Of course, we always think about academic freedoms when it comes to faculty members, but we also have to consider students as well. Ensure diversity, make sure that the institution is enforcing diversity, meaning that all of the opportunities are available for all students. Selecting an effective and innovative president. The president is also a representation of the school, so the Board of Trustees needs to make sure that they nominate somebody that expresses that. And then also the board should generally not exceed 15 members. There shouldn't be more than 15 members making decisions, because a smaller group will be able to actually understand the purpose of an institution. Thank you.